What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ralph's Garage. Here today with a really short video, just a tech tip for you. What I'm working on right now is I'm pulling a brake caliper off of the Forester, and I'm going to take that caliper to the store because it's worth money on a core return for a new one. Rather than making 2 trips, I'm going to take it with me, but I don't want to leave the brake line hanging there loose, draining every drop of brake fluid out of the car while I'm gone. So I'm going to show you how to there's tools that clamp the hose, but if you don't have one, I'll show you how to make it with stuff that you probably have laying around the garage. Okay, this is what I'm dealing with here. Brake caliper needs to come off, but I don't want to drain the brake fluid out of the whole car and minimize my bleeding. So I want to block this off here before I disconnect the line and take this to the parts store and get my $50 core charge, and the bracket goes with the core. Make sure you always take the bracket, or you'll be making 2 trips anyway. So let's see what we got around. The garage is a mess right now. We had a yard sale, and whatever didn't sell ended up in the garage. So yeah, so you get yourself a pair of vice grips, preferably these long nosed ones, right? And then find a piece of hose. I usually keep, that's not hose. Here we go. Here's a piece of hose. Make sure it's big enough to fit around. Let me do this so you can see it. Basically, that's what you're looking for. And then I'm going to cut 2 pieces of hose about as long as these duck bills. I'm going to put 1 piece on each end, and then you just basically clamp the line, and you're doing it with a hose where it's not going to damage the line, hopefully. It could potentially still damage it, but probably not. It'll probably be fine. It'll be fine. I gotta find some cutters. There we go. I picked these up at a yard sale. They're great. They're probably pruners, but they work good on cutting hose. Now you take your vice grips on there, and now you just clamp right here. Boom. Let's go do it. Well, yeah, the Legacy looking fine. You probably don't even see the Legacy yet. See, if you watch my videos, you're getting a preview of future projects. Okay, so now we have the caliper, and we want to take this line off. So we want to kink this right here. And you just set these so that there's the tiniest gap between them, about like so. And then you just clamp them on there. And then you can take your wrench and pull the line off. Alright, now only a small amount of brake fluid, whatever's in this caliper, is going to come out now. And then that little short piece of line, but it shouldn't drain the whole brake system on you. Well, this caliper's seized, so it might have pressure built up in it, but probably not that much. Yeah, that was just a little poof. So this is what's inside the brake caliper, and then once that's gone, then nothing else will come out. See, this is all coming from the brake caliper now. Alright, well, that's it for a quick tip. I gotta get this bracket off and head to the store so that I can pick up a new brake caliper for this thing. See you next time. Stay safe. Hey guys, I'm in here editing this video, and just wanted to do an outro and a little explanation of where I've been. I know I kind of was going strong with videos on the BMW, and then I sort of stopped. So I have some other content that's filmed that I need to edit and put in videos. It's not BMW related, it's Subaru related. But I just haven't gotten around to doing any editing, anything like that. It's really hard for me to sit down and edit. It's really the worst part of this, and the thing that I'm most unfamiliar with. I can work on cars all day long, but I'm just learning this editing thing, and sometimes it gets a little frustrating. So I appreciate everyone that's been watching, even though I think it's been 2 months or at least a month and a half since I uploaded a video. Um, I'm still getting a significant amount of views, and I still steadily climbing with the subscribers. So I appreciate that. And if you're out there watching, go ahead and subscribe and like. I really appreciate it. It lets me know that you're watching, gives me motivation to get back in the editing room and really start putting videos out. Other than that, just wanted to say thanks. I hope everyone's staying safe, and I'm gonna get back to the E36. I'm sort of spending the summer doing other things. I have a lot of stuff going on around the house. I did a total lawn renovation, a whole bunch of work. So I'm gonna get back to the E36. I haven't forgotten about it. I have parts piled up waiting for it. I just need to get back in there and just start cracking away at it again. So I appreciate you guys watching, and thanks for subscribing and everything, and I'll see you next time.